Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy chignon crisscross bun hairstyle for medium to long hair. To start, I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face on both sides. And then I'm going to divide the hair straight across from about the end of the eyebrow height and just pop this into a ponytail. Now take a section of hair from the right hand side and we're going to cross this over the ponytail to the left hand side, and I'm going to pick up a small piece of hair on the left hand side, join these sections together with an elastic band. Next, pick up the same size section on the left hand side, bring it over the top of the ponytail to the right hand side, grab a little piece of hair and join them both together. And we're just going to repeat this 4 times. So we're going to do another section from the right, cross it over to the left hand side, grab a little piece of hair and join them together. And then we're just going to do it one last time, going from the left hand side, bring it over to the right, grab your piece of hair and join them together. Pull the elastic tight so you can't see it. With the remaining hair, divide this in half, and starting on the left hand side we're going to pop it into a ponytail. On the last turn of that elastic band, only pull the ponytail part way through to create a loop. Then repeat on the right hand side. Now we're going to pop a couple of fingers through the centre of the right hand loop, grab that left hand loop with your fingers and pull it all the way through the right hand loop so they switch sides. Hold to the head and secure all the way around the outside with as many bobby pins as needed. With the remaining tail ends, just tie these into another ponytail, creating a small loop, and then just tuck it underneath that chignon and pin into place. Curl those front sections loosely away from the face. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.